Hi YouTube. So today I want to do a unboxing for you guys of something that I recently purchased today at Louis Vuitton, and I'm really excited to show you guys this. And first of all, let's talk about this bag for a second. Oh my god, this is literally the coolest shopping bag I have ever seen from any brand. And I literally went into the Louis Vuitton store today, and I was basically for sure gonna pick up a bracelet, and then I saw people buying stuff, and they all had bags with this design on it, and I was just like, okay, even if I wasn't gonna pick up the bracelet, like I would have had to buy something to get one of these bags, because this is like, I'm just gonna keep this forever because this is so sick. Um, Anyway, I'm gonna unbox something that I got. It's not a very huge item or anything like that, as you can see, but it is something that I have been looking at for a little bit now, and I just decided to get it. And if it doesn't work out, I can always return it. But without further ado, um, we have my receipt in here, and my client advisor is, I guess that's their special name. He put his business card in here, which is really nice because I have bought from the same Louis Vuitton person a couple times, and the sales associate is very nice. They were really busy though today at Louis Vuitton, so honestly I went and bought this within 10 minutes or so. They were just trying to get through a lot of people, and normally I don't like to feel rushed when I'm buying anything, especially something this expensive, but I didn't really mind because I already kind of knew what I wanted, and I didn't really need to think about it too much. So, yeah. So here is the box with the nice white ribbon on it that says Louis Vuitton in gold all over it. And I actually don't even need to untie that because this box just slides out from the side. And here we go, revealing the standard Louis Vuitton dust bag. And boom. So what I got is this Louis Vuitton bracelet in monogram eclipse with silver hardware. This is in a size 19. There are two sizes. There's a 21 and a 19. I actually usually tend to have fairly large wrists, and the 19 fits me perfectly. What I like about this bracelet is that it is a clip like this, and it's not any type of bangle or anything like a Cartier bracelet or something like that. Those I've just had terrible experiences with. They don't really fit me that well, but something like this I can wear extremely easily. So let me take off these real quick and put this on. Alright, just snaps on like that. This is what it looks like. I have the LV facing me. And then you can also obviously see the nice detail of the monogram, and then obviously the button itself has a Louis Vuitton symbol on it. So yeah, it's super comfortable. You can see there's even room underneath of here for me to, it's not like constrictive or anything. It's super easy. It'll probably honestly kind of slide around a little bit on my wrist. And I saw another video, apparently some people wear it like backwards, where the Louis Vuitton is, the symbol is facing the other way, so like, when people see it on your wrists, the symbol is facing them instead of you, which I thought was an interesting idea. But this is what it looks like facing outward. Either way, I think it's looks really great. I was talking to the sales associate, and he told me that it doesn't really matter. There's not really like a proper way to wear it. So yeah. It's a pretty self-explanatory piece. I don't really have anything much to say other than I didn't mention actually where this was made. So this particular piece is made in Spain. This was actually the last one that they had in this size, so I couldn't really be picky, and I'm glad that it's made in Spain and not America. Most of the pieces are going to be are apparently going to start being made in America, and so having more pieces that are made in either Spain or France is going to make their value at least a little bit higher, which I'm happy about. But yeah. If you guys have any questions about this bracelet or anything or my experience, definitely feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm really happy with this purchase. I forgot to mention the price is $295 after tax in California where I live. It was $317. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like luxury unboxings and videos like this, I already have several on my channel, and that's what I'm going to be planning to do because I buy just so many luxury items all the time. Like, I might as well unbox them on YouTube just for other people. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, anything like that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.